Found these beautiful mushrooms at the food market and I decided to turn them into this really nice lamb and vegetable stir-fry noodles. So start off by putting your oil in a pan and leave it until it gets really hot. In the meantime, start slicing your mushrooms, and once your pan is really hot, add your onions and peppers and cook until they're soft. Your oil has to be hot because it will speed up the process and caramelize the vegetables. Add your mushrooms followed by Chinese 5-spice and cumin seeds and cook for a few minutes. Then add your tomato paste, chili paste and some liquid seasoning. Liquid seasoning is a game changer and it's a must in that stir fry. Then to make the broth, I added 1 lamb stock and 1 beef stock and mixed it with boiling water. Then I start slicing my lamb steak into these size pieces that you can see. Clean my boards, and then once the vegetables are soft and ready to go, I took them off the pan and then added a bit of oil and then fried my lamb steak followed by a bit of ginger and garlic. Then I added back the vegetables and cooked them a bit, and then I added the broth and then let it cook for a good 15 minutes. Then added a bit of corn flour or potato starch and cooked them for another 15 minutes until the sauce has thickened. Added both lemon juice followed by your noodles. You can add any noodles that you like. I've got here some egg noodles. Once it's done, I added a bit of spring onion on top and served it. Super delicious. Please give it a try and let me know what you think.